Hello everyone and welcome back to the Perfect French with Dylane. Today we are going to see 10 expressions with the word bien. It's actually the third video about bien and bon. I started with all the uses of bon, then I did the differences between bon and bien, and today we are seeing the expression with bien. If you're interested in the two other videos, it's going to be in the description box. So before we start, I just want to do a quick reminder about bien. Bien can be an adverb, an adjective, or a noun. When it's an adverb and an adjective, it never changes. It will never take a S, it will never become a feminine word, so it will never become an N-E. That's not going to happen. But it will take a S when it's a noun. So, un bien, des biens. That's just a quick reminder. Now we can start seeing the expression, and if you want to look at one in particular, all the timing are also in the description box. The first one we are going to see is aller bien, which can be translated to be well, to go well. Let's see in a sentence. Je vais très bien aujourd'hui. Je vais très bien aujourd'hui. I'm doing very well today. But you remember that we saw that before, we don't say doing, we say going. I'm going very well today. So, aller bien is a very important one. Next one is bien entendu. Bien entendu. So here the link is a bit special because we keep the word bien, and then we add the N link. Bien entendu, entendu, bien entendu. Which means, of course, obviously. So you use it exactly the same way as you would use, of course, obviously in English. It's just to emphasize something that you say. Bien entendu, nous serons là pour Noël. Bien entendu, nous serons là pour Noël. Obviously, we will be there for Christmas. The next one, also very common one, is bien sûr. Bien sûr. Bien sûr. I am probably going to do a video about all the different kind of sûr, because we have quite a few and they can be confusing, so let me know if you would like that in the comment section actually. So bien sûr means of course. And also they can never be divided. So bien sûr is like one word. In a sentence, bien sûr que je vais te conduire à l'aéroport. Bien sûr que je vais te conduire à l'aéroport. Of course, I will drive you to the airport. The same kind of sentence we have bien sûr que non. Bien sûr que non, of course not. And bien sûr que oui. Bien sûr que oui. Yes, of course, yes. This one is very interesting, I really like this one. It's dire du bien de. Dire du bien de. My voice is leaving. Dire du bien de. To speak well of someone. Elle dit toujours du bien de toi. Elle dit toujours du bien de toi. She always speaks well of you. Elle dit toujours du bien de toi. Next one. On verra bien. On verra bien. So remember that on is used like we in French, like nous. On verra bien. It's a very casual way to talk. On verra bien. We will see. So you can say, on verra bien si tu réussis ton test. On verra bien si tu réussis ton test. We will see if you succeed on your test. I don't know what he's getting if you succeed, but apparently something. On verra bien. We will see. The next one is bien prendre. Bien prendre. To take something well. So usually we'll say that about a news that you just got. For example, il a bien pris la nouvelle. Il a bien pris la nouvelle. He took the news well. Another one that we use very casually is bien souvent. Bien souvent. Very often. Bien souvent, j'ai encore faim après le déjeuner. Bien souvent, j'ai encore faim après le déjeuner. Very often, I'm still hungry after breakfast. Bien souvent. Bien souvent. You can also say souvent, it's just that bien will make you sound a bit more fluent. This one is also very interesting, is faire bien de. Faire bien de. To do the good thing, to do the right thing. Tu fais bien de me le dire. Tu fais bien de me le dire. Good thing you told me. Tu fais bien de me le dire. And the last one is about being comfortable in your own skin. Être bien dans sa peau. Or, se sentir bien dans sa peau. Both work. Sometimes you will hear être, sometimes you will hear se sentir. To feel comfortable in one's skin. So you can say, elle est bien dans sa peau. Elle est bien dans sa peau. Or, elle se sent bien dans sa peau. Elle se sent bien dans sa peau. She feels comfortable in her own skin. So we just don't say comfortable, we say bien instead. And like I said, you see that even though we are talking about a woman, bien stays exactly the same. Bien never change unless it's a noun. Just remember that. That's it for today. If you have another one, I selected the most common one, but if you have another one that you think would be useful, please leave it in the comment section. It's always good to share with others. You all there to learn. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, it really helps me, and I will see you soon for another lesson.